welcome back to Knowledge Elevator. My name is Tariq Rahim and I am a PhD scholar at University of Campania. So without wasting any time, we will move towards search bar, how we can create it. First of all, we will search medical certificates. So there is some templates that is available and we can use it free of cost for appreciation for Dharman Medical Center, and we are interested in this template, so I am going to choose this one. And what you can do, you can simply change the name. For example, I am going to write my name here, so you can increase and decrease font size from there. The most important thing is colors that we used and logo that should use an appreciation certificate. So for example, I used blue color and logo, so from there I will copy the code and paste it here. So that will be just like the logo color. And after that I'm going to copy another color. So I will simply copy the code of yellow color, you can say a mustard color. So next I will copy another color code and paste it here, so that will be like this. The same I will do with all colors. Next I am going to copy the code of red color and paste it here, so it will be like this. Okay, so now I will upload the logo and that will be like this. What I can do, I will click here for transparency and I will make it a little bit low, and that will be more attractive. So that's all for today. How you can save it, just simply click on share option. There is multiple options available and you can save it in PDF and also in GPG and other formats.
So if you're ready to learn, grow and create like never before, make sure to subscribe Knowledge Elevator and hit the bell icon so you don't miss a single lesson in this series.